In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photography website using Squarespace. First, open your browser and head to squarespace.com. On the homepage, click Get Started to begin. Squarespace will guide you through a quick setup. When you're asked what kind of site you're building, choose photography so the system recommends designs made for showcasing images and galleries. Click Next to continue. You'll see a few on-screen prompts with highlighted choices. Simply click the highlighted options that best match your style and goals. Think about whether you want a clean grid, full bleed images, or a mix of portfolio and services. Don't overthink this part. It only helps Squarespace tailor suggestions, and you can change everything later. After making those selections, click Next. You'll arrive at the template picker. Click Choose a template to see the full gallery. If filters are available, use the photography and portfolio options to narrow things down, especially if you plan to offer scheduling or services alongside your work. Browse the designs, click a thumbnail to preview it, and scroll through the demo pages to see how galleries, about pages, and contact forms are laid out. When you find a design that fits your aesthetic, click Start with this design. Squarespace will create your site using that template. When the setup finishes, click Edit Site to enter the visual editor. From here, you can start customizing immediately. Click Edit on any page section to replace placeholder text with your own bio, services, and pricing. Swap demo images for your photographs by selecting image blocks and uploading high-resolution files. Aim for consistent aspect ratios, and add descriptive alt text so your work is accessible and easy to index. As you move through the homepage, portfolio, and contact pages, keep your navigation simple and your categories clear. Clients should be able to reach your best work in 1 or 2 clicks. In galleries, use descriptive titles and short captions only where they add context. If the template offers a contact or inquiry block, personalize the message and double-check the destination email so you never miss a lead. You can adjust fonts, colors, and spacing from the Site Styles panel to match your brand. Small tweaks go a long way toward making the template feel uniquely yours. When you're happy with the changes, continue editing page by page until the site reflects your portfolio. That's it. You've gone from a blank slate to a polished